my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Today I have my May Glossybox. And if you're interested in seeing what I received in my Glossybox, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys been doing well. This month has been a heck of a whirlwind for me, and so I'm just now catching my breath. Of course, Ramadan is now over, and I'm back to work. I took 2 weeks off, so I'm trying to catch up there. But yeah, I just want to make sure I get these information out to you, and I did just receive my Glossybox for May, and so yeah, I'm really excited to see what's in it because it feels kind of heavy. So yeah, anyway, and I'll also be, if I haven't already, I think I should have by now released a winner for the Mother's Day Glossybox box. So yeah, and so hopefully I did that already. If not, it'll be right after this. Okay, and so anyhow, before we get into it, let's do our affirmations. And so what do we have today? And today we have, my heart is open. How simple is that? But so important. My heart is open. Wow. Okay, what does it say in the back? What can I do to open my heart a little more today? Who can I show more love to? Oh, that's nice. Yeah, what can I do to open my heart a little more today? And who can I show more love to? Wow, that's so nice. Yeah, and you know, it is so important to actually let people know how you feel. And I know sometimes that's overrated, you know, as far as that goes, where people quickly say, oh, love you, love you, love you. But, you know, really taking the time, you know, especially family and friends that are close to you that are right there, you know, in your surrounding, to just really take a moment to have, you know, a heart-to-heart conversation and really thank them and open up your heart to them and letting them know how much you care about them, because you don't know how much time you have with them, right? And so, yeah, very nice card. Okay, that's a nice affirmation, right? My heart is open. My heart is open. So, yeah, good. So, okay, that's that. And so, how have you guys been? I've been getting my boxes like one after the other. So I know you're seeing a lot of unboxings, and I actually have done the Urban Decay, the Naked series, the next one, the Naked 3, and also my Milani, the drugstore brand makeup. I did that before Ramadan was even over, but I'm having to push that back more and more and more. It's been pre-recorded because I'm getting these boxes. I want to get the boxes open for you because there's going to be some dead moments when I have no boxes and I can just plug those in. And I also owe you guys I have the Natasha Denona, the new palette that she put out for the summer, which is the Zando. I have that palette, and I also have the palette by Colourpop, the Barbie X. And so, yeah, I need to get that done as well. So, you guys, please have patience with me because there's so many things going on right now. So, yeah, it's so exciting now. Okay. Oh, and I did my nails. I think I showed you this on my BoxyCharm opening, but I did do them, and these are actually OPI brand, and they are not the Orly ones, right? So, yep, I did these. So, just let you know. Okie dokie then. I digress. So, let's get it open. Oh, no, I can't even use this one on this. This is the one you got to tear. Oh, okay. All right, here we go. That's okay. Oh. Think just one. That's it. Just one side today. Okay, you guys ready? Woo! Oh, very nice. Look at this. Oops. The card almost popped out. So here it is. It looks like there's something that matches this. It's called Velvet. Maybe something's in there that's velvet. It's a $25 gift card for Shop Velvet. Why does that sound familiar? But let's see. Just going to go ahead and pop this out. And there's nothing in here. And I always do enjoy their boxes. They're so pretty. So anyway, yeah, this is really nice. So summer appropriate. Let's see what's in here. I know aesthetics. I'm just like so, woo. So let me see what's inside. Oh, as usual, it is so pretty. Look at this. Look at this shiny little sun. And here's the card, and there it is. And so let's see what it says. And it comes so very nicely packaged. And I'm really loving this Glossybox lately. And Glossybox is $24.95 a month. And it is very heavy on skincare. But, I mean, you do get some makeup in there, like eyeliners, mascaras, and things like that. And the thing with Glossybox is that they're very, I mean, the value is there. It's definitely is there, and they send you really nice things, and I really enjoy their boxes. So yeah, let's see what I got this time. And I mean, it's so nice, right? And then they also have these limited edition boxes that, like, if you belong to if you belong to Glossybox, you get a discount. So hold on one second, I dropped the card. Okay, so it says "Let the sun shine," and that's exactly how this box looks, right? And it gives you the information on the inside for the products. And on the back is a summer beauty bag, and it talks about this, other offers, and meet the new brands, and also talks about their brand here. So yeah, we'll go ahead and I will untie this, and this comes in so pretty. I mean, they did such a great job with packaging. Even their little tissues, I mean, and look, and the little, what are these, paper spaghettis? Yeah, so very nice. Okie dokie, let's see. All right, so, okay, let's see what's in here. The first thing I'm going to pull out sounds like food. I'm hungry, but no, I'm always hungry, huh? But no, it's a mineral bath salt. It's called Dream Away Valerian and Hops Essential Oils. Wow, this looks really good. Look at this. Huh. Okay, let's read about it. And this is, let's see what it says. It says here, okay, sorry about that. I ran out of battery again, so I'm so discombobulated. I do apologize. And I think I just started talking about this here. And let's see what it says. It says here, after a busy day, nothing's better than a pampering bath. These stress-relieving salts promote better sleep thanks to the calming benefits of valerian essential oil. The pure, uncontaminated thermal spring salt cleanses and naturally detoxifies. And the packet actually is $4 is retail for this one packet. So, yep. Oh, nice. I'm going to have to try this. But you know what? Since I don't use the bathtub, I'm going to have to save these and see, when I go to, one of these nice hotels, then I'll use their bathtub. I don't know. Who knows? But either that or I put it in in a giveaway. So that's that. And then the next one is, I'm running out of room here, guys. Next thing I have here is Urease. Or Urease. Looks like there's like the White House over here. What the heck? What is that? Okay, it says eau thermal. And what is that? It's thermal water. Urease. Oh, Urease. Urease. It's a G, not a C. Urease. Thermal water. But let's see what it says about that. Okay, it says, packaged directly at the source of the French Alps and filled with mineral salts, this skincare water is just what you need to moisturize, soothe, and protect your skin. It's perfect for those hot summer days ahead. Tip, spray on face and body as often as you want for cooling and hydration. And this is $12 for 150 milliliters. Oh, wait. No, this is travel size. It's 50 milliliters, and it's $3.50. And a full size would be 150 milliliters, and it'll be $12. And so, yeah, you know what? I'll keep this because I really do like, things like this. And especially if you guys live in a dry climate and you use hyaluronic acid, these are really good to have. I mean, even over makeup, just spritz, because you got to remember, you don't want to dry out your skin, okay? And so that's that. And next I have, oh, this is so pretty. Nails ink. Here it is, nail polish. Now that I'm doing my nails, I do welcome these. And these are my colors. And I like this color. Look at it. It's pink. And so, yeah. Ouch. I just banged my elbow. I have way too much stuff around me. I'm getting ready to move. And so I have everything kind of getting tighter and tighter. Yeah. And so let's see, what is this nail polish? Actually, this nail polish is not here. Why? That's weird. Or am I just totally missing it? No, it's not. Maybe that's the extra. Oh, it looks like I didn't get the Polar Very High Protection Sun Cream in SPF 50. Aw. So instead of the sun cream, I got the nail polish. You guys know me and sun cream. I so would have rather had the sun cream. Really? Aw. Not cool. And also they gave me, oh, and something else I didn't get. This is really weird. And this is the Josephine Cosmetics. And this is the liquid highlighter I was supposed to get. I didn't get that either. Instead, they sent me this Bella Pierre eyeliner. What's going on? I'm not happy about that. But I did get the other two things that's here. And this one here, as you guys know, I have like 20 million of them. And I've talked about this 20 million times. Which is this ampule. And it's by Earth Harbor. And this is Clean Cosmetics. Clean skincare, I mean. And look at the color. Isn't that pretty? I mean, they come in blue and green. And this one here is kind of like the reddish. So, yeah. And let's see what this is, though. Let's take a look. Huh. Oh, I wanted a sun cream. Not happy about that. Okay. Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule. So, unparalleled in strength for combating pollutants and daily skin stressors. This ampule is a necessity for skin in need of after-sun replenishment, bold defense against the elements, and thriving barrier function. It restores antioxidants, normalizes the skin pH, and smooths fine lines. And it retails for $48. And it is a full size. So it says apply two or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning. Massage until absorbed and follow with moisturizer. Okay, well, I'm going to have to take a look and see closer to see what else is in here because I do use other skincare and I don't want it to interfere with it like vitamin C or, you know, with the Retin-A, anything like that, depending on when I put this on. Okay, and the last thing in my box is it's by Aveda, which means it's hair care. Okay, and hair care is okay. I like hair care. And so let's see what this is, though. I'm going to read about it for you. And this is a Nutri-Plenish leave-in conditioner. Oh, good. Shield your hair from UV rays and heat damage with 98% naturally derived formula free from silicones, parabens, and sulfate cleansers. It protects against the drying effects of the sun, leaving your hair nourished all day long. Shake well, mist to clean hair. Damp or dry, detangles or style as usual. For fine to medium hair, apply mid-shift to ends. For thicker and highly textured hair, apply from root to ends. Okay, and it retails for $37 for 200 milliliters, but this one here is $12. Okay, and yeah, that's okay. Although my hair is never exposed to sun, but that's okay because it is exposed to like dryers and things like that. So yeah, there it is. That's not bad. Okay, I think that's it for my box, but I'm a little disappointed that I did not get the two things that I would have really liked, which would have been a Josephine Cosmetics. It looks like a, it is a liquid highlighter. Yeah, that's a liquid highlighter. I thought it was concealer. It's liquid highlighter. Oh, I would have liked that, and I would definitely would love this very high protection sun cream SPF 50+. So, yeah, well, but I'm surprised they didn't even put a note in here. They're usually pretty good about that if they're out of something and they're, you know, they're not going to send it. So it is what it is. But then again, maybe this is the reason why they sent me this gift card, right? Because it didn't say anything about it having it. It's a $25 gift card. Yeah. It does. Do I have to spend a certain amount or is it just $25 gift card? No, it's $25 gift card. Yep. Visit www.velveteyewear.com. That's where it's from. Eyewear. Okay, one-time use, no minimum spending required, can be applied to any sunglasses or optical frame on our website. Okay. All right, maybe that's why, because they didn't, I mean, it could be, or I don't know. If you guys get this box and you got the sun cream and you did get the highlighter, let me know if you still got the card, because I'm like, okay, maybe that's what it is, but maybe not. But anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, it was a pretty good box though. I don't mind it. And here's a hair conditioner, leave-in conditioner, a youth ampule, a very pretty pinky nail polish, a spritz of mineral water for those dry, hot days, and the Bella Pierre eyeliner. So, yep, that's that. And that is what I received in my Glossybox for May. And definitely, I mean, do I think it was worth my $24.95? I think so. I think so. I mean, just, you know, just for this ampule and this hair conditioner, I mean, these four I will definitely use. So, yeah. Anyway, so my beautiful wildflowers, I did forget this though. And yeah, if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing. That would really help me out, guys. And okay, my beautiful wildflowers, if you have any comments, please put them below. And if you have any questions, also put them below. I want you to have a good day, good night, good week, or good weekend, whenever you're watching this. But just remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.